Okay, hi there. So tonight's homework is gonna be on the multiplication table. All right, and I started that last year, and I'm gonna do that again. I think it's a good skill for you guys to constantly use. All right, and the other reasons because I haven't found any questions that I would like to use for homework yet. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna wait a little bit before we do GCF and LCM things like that. All right. So now tonight's homework's a little bit tricky, not because the work itself, the math itself is tough, but because I need to teach you how to use this on Delta Math, okay? Because this is a bit like a game, all right, where it's not very straightforward. So here's what you do, all right? So as you see on the screen, this is a multiplication table, I don't know, activity, homework slash quiz, okay? It's timed. So you have to get 10 consecutive multiplication questions right. And then that's it. Once you get 10 straight, you will get it right, all right? In the amount of time allowed it. I think I had it set up for 300 seconds. I don't know why it says 100, but in a way, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you should be able to do 10 multiplication questions in 100 seconds. That's one per 10 seconds, right? Now, however, if you get it wrong, you have to start from the top, from the bottom again. Okay, so meaning if, like, let's say you got 9 out of 10 right, and you're about to finish homework. If you got the last question wrong, you have to start from the beginning. You have to get 10 straight again. Okay, I think that's a good way for you to get some practice. So without further ado, let's start. All right, so I got to do the questions. The timer's here. The score's kept here. All right. By the way, if you want to pause it, you can just like go back. It won't let you. All right. You have to hit stop first. Okay, and then go back. Okay. All right. So let's start again. Okay, I'm gonna start. All right, 4, 9, 36, 5, 10, 15. Now I'm gonna get it wrong on purpose. In the middle here. Okay. So if I get it wrong, instead of saying 63, I pick 70. Right? You see how the clock stops, and then you can press start again, and it'll restart now. So I'm gonna before I press start. So when I press start, I want you to look at the score here. Okay. See, it restarts again. All right. So I think that's good because it set you to a higher standard of knowing the multiplication table, which you should know by heart by now. So I think this is a fair thing. What? Two same questions. I think this is a fair thing for me to ask of you. All right. So let's see. And that's it. All right. So that's 10 out of 10. I'm done. Now you could keep going if you want to. Okay. No one's going to stop you. But okay, when you're done, you press stop. And then that's it. Once you go back, you see that it's going to say like 10 out of 10, 100, and then you're done for the day. Okay. All right. So that's it. I'm not going to talk that much more. If you got questions, ask me in class. Then we can talk about it if there's anything I need to fix on my end. All right. So, okay, I'm going to stop here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. All right. And see you tomorrow. Oh, wait. Today's Tuesday, right? So I won't see you tomorrow. I think I'll see you Thursday. Okay. I'm recording this the week before. Okay. All right. I'm getting out of here. All right. Bye.
OMG, that was so good.